20% of employees from department X are transferred to another department, department Y. 25% of the remaining employees are transferred to department Z, and 10% of the remaining employees are transferred to department W. If the number of male employees left in the department X is 3780, then find the total number of employees in department X before the transfer. The number of female employees is thrice the number of males, and this ratio remains the same even after the transfer. So this is a question related to shares and percentages, conversion into fractions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the fractions for each one of them. 20% can be written as 1/5, 25% can be written as 1/4, and 10% can be written as 1/10. So I'm going to multiply all the denominators. So I'm going to say that the total employees in department X is 5 into 4 into 10, which is 200. Out of these 200, 1/5, 20%, right? So 1/5 of this, which is going to be 40, were moved to Y, and remaining we are left with is 160. From this 160, 25% means 1/4. So 1/4 of 160 is another 40. These move to Z, and the remaining will be 120. Out of this 120 remaining, 10% of the remaining employees, which is going to be another 12 employees, they are moved to department W. So we are left with 120 minus 12, that is 108 employees. So it means if we start with 200, we will end up at 108 employees. Now, we don't know how many employees, out of how many employees, male and female, the actual values were. But we do know that the number of female employees is thrice the number of males initially, and even after the transfer. So we can say that out of this 108, the ratio of female and male is 3:1. And this was the same ratio we had initially, female is to male, that was 3:1. Now, the total number of male employees to us is given as 3780. So if total employees upon male employees, if we look at the fraction, then total employees were 200. Then the number of male employees turned out to be 1/4 of 108. So if the total employees were, let's say, T, then the number of male employees given to us is 3780. So from here, we will get the total number of employees in the beginning. So which is going to be 200 into 3780 into 4 whole divided by 108. So 1, 2 will go, and this one will become 54. And 54 into 7 is 378. So 7 into 4 is 28 followed by 3 zeros. So it becomes 28 followed by 3 zeros. So the answer is going to be B option.